Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNHero.com, and today you're going to be talking about PowerDNN. Sometimes here and there, I take the time to review some hosting offerings out there, and at this time we're going to be talking about PowerDNN cloud server hosting. And the thing that caught my attention with them is a tool that they have built. It's a server-side tool, and you only have access to that if you have one of their cloud servers offering, if you have purchased one of their cloud servers. And here you can see a couple of different offerings. Today, again, what caught my attention was the tool that they have called PowerDNN Control Suite. And that's a tool that they have built. And to demonstrate that, I'm gonna simulate like I had purchased one of the cloud server plans that they have to offer. And I'm gonna go to the server environment, and there we're gonna explore a little bit this application, this nice application that they have built there to help us managing our DNN websites. So, first thing that you're gonna get when you order one of the plans, one of the cloud server plans that PowerDNN offers, is that you're gonna get the IP address of your server, of your cloud server. And for the sake of this demonstration, you're gonna be using what I assume is their cloud server demo server. And by the way, I just want to give a big thanks to Stacy Bender. She gave me a nice walkthrough of their environment. So first thing that I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get the IP address, and I'm gonna use the Windows Remote Desktop application to log into their server. So usually you can find that application on your Windows computer under Start, All Programs, Accessories, and then it should be right there, Remote Desktop Connection. So you're gonna get this, and you're gonna paste here. You're gonna add here the IP address of your server. Let's do that. Let's hit connect. And now you're also gonna get a password, which I also have here. Actually, I'm not gonna try to copy and paste. Sometimes I have problems with that. So I'm just gonna type in and hit enter. We should be logged in. Okay, perfect. So this is the server. This is the remote desktop connection environment window here that you can see. Now, from here, actually, I'm just gonna minimize the server manager Windows window, and I'm gonna get things started by running the PowerDNN Control Suite that you're gonna have available on your desktop. Just to make sure you should be running this application as administrator. So just to guarantee that, I'm just going to right click on it and run as administrator. It will ask confirmation. I'm going to confirm that. It asks for login, username and password. Here, this is internal username and password for the application, which will come pre-populated. So you can just leave it as is and hit login. That's just so terms of service. No, that's just gonna go straight here. Yes. So here is the tool itself. I'm just gonna resize this a little bit to show it better in this window. Perfect. So now you will not be doing everything from the PowerDNN Control Suite. You're gonna split a bunch of tasks between this tool and Plesk itself, because Plesk is the control panel used by PowerDNN. So if I was supposed to create my brand new site right now, I open PowerDNN Control Suite, but now I'm gonna go to Plesk, which is again the control panel, and I can access Plesk by going to the Plesk node here. As you can see, Plesk 9. I'm just gonna right click on it, and it says here login as admin, and I can select the browser. I'm gonna select IE. So it's just saying because it's a secure URL, I'm just gonna hit continue here. And let's wait a little bit for it to come up. So this is the Plesk control panel of my server. As you can see, the IP address up there, it's pointing to my local server. Now, again, we have to start from Plesk to create our new website from it. Now, before we create the new domain, the new website, the way Plesk works is that you can have multiple clients under the same Plesk, under the same server. Actually, if you have clients and you want to host their websites, you can actually create accounts for them here. Now, I'm just going to assume that it will be your own account and it's the only account here. I'm going to create a new account, which will be my account. Like I would be a client in this server, but maybe I'll be the only client there in my own server, you know? So I'm just gonna put my name, my login, and a password. I'm gonna put the same password here. And again, I'm not gonna fill everything out here. I'm just gonna leave them as is. I'm going to, let me resize this so it fits a little bit better. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit next and see if there are more options. I'm not gonna explore each and every option here because I want to make it a very simple and straightforward process, but there are lots of more options that you can dig within Plesk itself. Now, you can specify quotas and all of that. I'm just gonna keep it unlimited on everything, and I'm gonna hit next again. This is the end of part 1 of the review of PowerDNN Control Suite tool.